Hi students, now we are going to solve the textbook numerical problems given in the exercise. Now first problem is a capillary of diameter d millimeter is dipped in water such that the water rises to a height of 30 millimeter. This is the capillary rise. If the radius of the capillary is made 2/3 of its previous value, then compute the height up to which water will rise in the new capillary. Now we have studied the capillary rise method to determine the surface tension of any liquid. So in that we have derived that the capillary rise H is inversely proportional to the radius of the capillary. So H is inversely proportional to R. So for the first capillary, H1 is proportional to 1 by R1, and for the second capillary tube, H2 is proportional to 1 by R2. Now H1 is given, H1 is 30 millimeter and H2 has to be determined, is it not? Okay, first we will write the given quantities. So H1 is equal to 30 millimeter and the radius of the capillary bore in the first case. So this is equal to diameter d divided by 2 and the radius of the second capillary is 2 by 3 of its previous value. That is, it is 2 by 3 times R1. We can relate R2 in terms of R1. Now I will divide H2 by H1. So H2 divided by H1 is equal to R1 by R2. So this is R1 by R2. Therefore H2 is equal to R1 by R2 into H1. Now I am going to substitute. Okay. So what is R2 is 2 by 3 times R1. So this is R1 divided by 2 by 3 R1 into H1 is 30 millimeter. So this is 30. Now this R1 can be cancelled and this 3 can be taken to the numerator, so that this will be equal to what? 3 by 2 into 30. So 3 into 30 is 90. Okay, or H2 is equal to 90 by 2. This is equal to 45. So this is equal to 45. Therefore H2 is equal to 45 millimeter. So compute the height up to which water will rise in the new capillary. That is, H2 is equal to 45 millimeter. This is a straight substitution only. Okay, I hope you must have understood the fine.